Hello everyone, I am Monalisha Padi. I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and I am a third year student of Bharati Vidyapeeth New Law College Pune. And today's topic is internet ban in Kashmir and freedom of speech and expression and freedom of trade. And the purpose of this video is to create awareness about this topic. Supreme Court in Anuradha Bhasin versus Union of India and Gulab Nami Azad versus Union of India held that freedom of speech and expression, trade and commerce through medium of internet are constitutionally protected under Article 19 Clause 1 Subclause A and Articles 19 Clause 1 Subclause G respectively. Moreover, internet shutdown can be ordered only on occurrence of public emergency or in the interest of public safety. The restriction upon such fundamental rights should be in consonance with the mandate under Article 19, Clause 2 and Clause 6 of Constitution, inclusive of the test of proportionality. The court observed that indefinite suspension of internet is not permissible and that repeated orders under Section 144 CRPC will amount to abuse of power. The court also added that the government should publish all orders of restrictions and should follow the principle of proportionality and to adopt less restrictive measures. The bench started by saying that the court has not delved into the political intent behind the prohibitory orders. It is also important to note that the court has not expressed any opinion on the right to access internet and has clarified that the judgment is confined to the point of the use of internet as a tool of exercise of freedom of speech and expression and trade of commerce, para 28. The court also observed that the advancement in the field of technology has to be required. The judgment noted that the Supreme Court in Catna of Judgments had recognized free speech as a fundamental right, and as technology evolved, it recognized the freedom of speech and expression over different media of expression. This was based on the precedents Odyssey Communications Private Limited versus Lokdiana Sangathan, Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, etc. The court then referred to the temporary suspension of telecom services Public Emergency or Public Safety Rules 2017, which were framed under the Telegram Act. Referring to Rule 22 of the 2 subclause 2 of the suspension rules, it was held that the reasoning of the authorized officer in the internet shutdown order should not indicate the necessity of the measure, but also what the unavoidable circumstance was. The purpose of the aforesaid rule is to integrate proportionality analysis within the framework of rules. The court passed the following directions in relation to internet shutdown. An order suspending internet services indefinitely is impermissible under the temporary suspension of telecom services, Public Emergency or Public Service Rule 2017. Suspension can be utilized for temporary duration only. Any order suspending internet issued under the suspension rules must adhere to the principle of proportionality and must not extend beyond necessary duration. Any order suspending internet under the suspension rule is subject to judicial review. Any order suspending internet issued under the suspension rule must adhere to the principle of proportionality and must not extend beyond necessary duration. Any order suspending internet under the suspension rule is subject to judicial review. The prerequisite of an order to be passed under Section 5, subsection 2, and therefore the suspension rule is the occurrence of public emergency or in interest of public interest. In Muhammad Hanif versus State of Bihar, AIR 1958 Supreme Court, it was said that the reasonableness of a restriction has to be determined in an objective manner and from the standpoint of the interest of the general public, and not from the point of view of the person upon whom the restrictions are imposed or upon abstract consideration. Hence, it was need of the hour to impose internet shutdown in the valley after the abrogation of Article 370. That's all for the topic. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.